Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you how to put little needle laces together and fill it in. Alright, we're going to start. Okay, now we're going to start. You will see over here three little doilies we have, the needle lace. So what you have to do is, I'm just going to show you here example. Those are the ones always I'm showing you motifs, models, new styles. So one of them, of course, it has the thread, so you put this like this to make sure they are touching even, not on top, not too far, exactly like close to each other. So what you have to do now, this one has the thread. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my needle here together, which I have to look, and which this was the one, and when you open it like this, when you're looking at it, you can see how many there is next to each other. There is 1, 2, and 3. So what you have to do now, you turn it around, you put here, and you take it in your hands, and of course the thread is other side. You can put new thread, or you can start with one, and you will work. What you have to do is just again you will hold them together, but you don't leave like kind of like a seats to be high. Just put them together, and then you go to the next and you'll do it again. You don't have to leave fuller like this to make something. You just have to try to bring it as even. Don't pull it too hard, just make sure that it's even with the other seeds. And then you go to the third one, because we looked at they need to be only 3 to hold each other. All right, now we're going to open this, and here you see the 3 of them are together, 1, 2, 3. So now from here to here we cannot jump to come over here. So what we have to do now, we're going to go to the next seat or this seat, whichever you want, whichever it's closer to the thread. So this will be closer here, or this will be closer here to these seeds or to these seeds. Now, so when one lady, she was asking, I'm confused, what's the seeds? Each hole that I go, I always call them seeds. Doesn't matter what it is, 1 seeds, 2 seeds, 3 seeds, they are all seeds. Even this one on top, if I want to go, I say the first seed, second seeds, third seeds. While I'm here, I'm not going to continue to come here. From here, I have to jump here. So while I'm jumping, I'll turn it around again. Or if it will be hard for you to be confused, what you do, you just keep this open. If you can see it, let me put this away. You'll jump here and you twist like just regular knitting you do, the lace. So this is what you do. And then while you have one here now, you don't want to just leave empty like this. If you want, you can do all. When I say empty, what I mean, you don't have to do petals on it like this, which I want to show you one. So now that we are here, we cannot go to the left, so I have to turn this like this, and I'm gonna work. I will make a little baby seeds. There it is. And then I make the long seed. I will put a petal like a flower. I will go back in, as you know how. You go over. We'll pull it. We'll go back in to make the petals. And don't make it too big, not too small, but just perfect middle size, the way I teach you from the beginning. And if nobody done this, you can go on playlist, and you will see from number 1 to 8. If you practice, you will do a very good job. Now we did this. Let's put it back on the floor, on the table. always have black background. Still we are far away to reach this one, so we will leave this alone for now. So now that you are here, you go to the next, because they are pretty close to each other. Do you see now to these seeds over here? To the next, the thread, if you can see, it's touching to this one over here. So what we do is we go in and we kind of make it like a blind to tie them up together. There we go. Now you see it. Now you see that I did the little pedal, and next it comes closer, this one. Now I came back here, and from here now I have to jump over here. So what do? I go, take one, and now I will turn it around, and I will make, you can, if you want, you can make it blind once, or you don't want it, you can just do the little seed. And then you'll make the little petal flower. There you go. The same way that we did the first. All right. Here. Now that it's done, this one, now we put back again on a floor, on a table. And we want to see, now this one, we cannot jump too far away from here to here. It will be way too far, too big. So what we do, we go to the next. So let's do the small seed here. This is the one that when you're working with it, you have to use your judgment where to go, what to go. See, like I was showing you here. Maybe again I should show you closer. Let's put this away and get the towel. See, from here to here, if I jump, it will be a little bit far. It depends, because this one has to be this way. I can go jump here and do another one, or I will jump here. You have to put on the table so you will know exactly if it's gonna be too big. If it's not, I guess it will be okay. We will do it. So I will jump over here. I was gonna do it here, but now I see on the table when I put it, I think it will be perfect, the same size as this. So now we're gonna go here. Always when you are putting you on the table like this, make sure you put your needle in, because sometimes it will be confusing. You put in like this, turn it around, and then you know which seed is that. So now we are here now. So what do? We're gonna jump here, and from here we're gonna jump there. And then we can come back here and here, or we can continue this way when we have 3 over here. Don't forget. Let's put it here. Okay, close. Well, it looks like we're pretty close to fill in. So from here, I'm gonna go to the next, and then I'm gonna go here, and then from here, I'm going to put them together because they are very close to each other. So you just have to see how you're going to put them together, and you're going to fill it. Well, I'm going to jump here. This is pretty close to this one. So what I do, I'll take this and I'll take this and I'll turn it around. And I make sure I know which one it is together. I hold it and I put them together here. So, and I have to hold it, but I want to make sure that the thread is outside. All right, here we go. There you go, you see it. Here's the last one, and this is the together that we put together. We'll just again work together just like this. Make sure you keep it comfortable, not too tight, not too loose. It has to rest comfortable. All right, now that we did this, we're gonna twist it, turn it around again. And here you see, so right now we don't have to put this part here together, because when we have another one, Then with the other one, we can hold them together. We can do from here and then go out. So for now, this is together, they hold it. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna work. We're gonna bring it together. We can blind them, or we can just do little seeds, but flat, just the way, wherever it is. See, because it's already, they are touching together. We don't need to do anything extra. Like from here now, we have to make another little seeds here. And then from here, we're gonna go here, and that's how we have to fill it. It's kind of confusing the way I'm explaining you, but I'm sure you're understanding that all it needs to fill in. So from here, now I'm gonna go here, but I'm sure you're getting the idea what I'm saying to you. All right, we're gonna do this. There we go. Let's open it again. Okay, there we go. See, now that I put this here together, the seeds is pretty close to him. So what should I do? I should really not do this alone by itself. Now from here, I'm gonna go to this too. I'm gonna grab them here together. From the back, I'll put them here like this with my needle. I'll pull my needle out, and here we go. And here, let's see what happened. Here, this is the way you will fill in. So now next one, if we have to do it, which I don't have exactly the same, I'm just gonna show you. Let's say this, we did this. Now I'm gonna put this, for example, with it. So what do? I will work those seeds together, which I'm gonna turn it like this, and I will go just like regular seeds to put one, and here needs another one, maybe the third one. I want to make sure so I don't have to go too much. Yes, we have to do the third one too. There you go. Here, and now we're gonna put this next to it. So what we have to do, we're still far away, we don't want to work. So what we do now, while we are here, this is extra thread, we have to cut them. This is, we don't need here. So while I'm at the ends, now it looks like I can tie them here together, but it's gonna pull. So what I do, I'm gonna come here and or here, whichever you want, and you're gonna do the same seeds like this, flowers. Here we go. And we're gonna do again petals, and I think you're gonna be able to do it, and I'm sure you understand what am I doing. So what we have to do is just, we have to try to fill it, but you have to make sure that it looks neat, kind of even, and not extra seeds on top of each other. Like the flowers, they are not supposed to come on top of each other. See, now I did this. I'm gonna finish this up, and then I go from here to here, or if I want, I can grab it like this and work together. Or I could have done this, for example. Actually, I'm gonna do the little seeds here. All right. And then I'm gonna go from the back part to the petal, to the flower, to this one, because they are touching together, if you can see. So we're gonna take it together. and then bring my needle front, and I will do the knitting. And I think this one I did it wrong. I'll take it out back again. Okay, I'm gonna like a blind way to make it so it will hold it better. There you go. Now we're gonna open it. See, they already holding it together. Now from here, we can go back here or we can continue whichever is closer. So this is the way you have to do it, the knitting. And you will be able to feel it and it's gonna look very good. All it is you have to see which one it comes closer to you. You will do this design. Flowers, you have to feel it, flowers. Let me see, where are they? Here, in the middle that we have. From the beginning, from 1 to 8 when we learn, we study. I'm putting them all together just the way I was explaining you. Next to each other, you're filling in. You can see. It looks like I didn't cut some of the thread in the back, which I should. But this is how it goes. You just jump and make your own judgment where you have to go, what you have to do. And that's how it's gonna look for you. All right, see, even here that you see, I put them together. Over here, I didn't have anything. It was empty. So when I put them together, I fill it in. This is my last line. This was the last petals, and then I filled it in. So I hope that you understood. If you have any question, I would be glad to answer you. But it's not hard. This is the way that I explained you now. That's the way you will do it. And I think you're going to do very, very good job where it is. All right. Well, I hope you'll try this. You learn. But like I said, if you need any question, anything, please let me know. All right. I thank you very, very much again for watching. And I'll be back for the next session. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.